Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. Not much this weekend for you guys. By the way, I did not get an earring. This here is a padlock and it's not attached to my ear. Well, Sunday I taught a self-defense class at a park in Lille, and after the class set up in the park with the whip, and I made a couple contacts to Russia, one using Morse code and the other one using voice USB on 20 meters. So, you know, casual operations. And today, you know, it's also very sunny, bright blue skies, and I thought, well, I'm going to set up outside here in the backyard, get the PRC-352, try on 6 meters, and I have my PRC-320. So I don't have anything else this weekend, so I thought, well, you know, a weekend of casual operations might be of some interest. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, so I have my Basha here and my PRC-352 and the Spider Beam 12-meter mast with the end-fed half-wave antenna on the 49:1 transformer. No luck on 6 meters, so I'm switching to the PRC-320 HF with a 35.5 foot wire, so random wire, and a 9:1 Unun. Well, I made 2 contacts. They were too weak to record really, but one with Austria, Oscar Echo 8 Hotel Alpha Quebec, and one guy, Nick, 90 miles west of Dublin, Echo India 4 India Bravo. So I'll try to make a couple more maybe, and maybe I'll try CW Morse code. That usually works pretty well.
Whiskey Bravo Yankee India Uniform 0 Golf Charlie Juliet, over.
Thank you, Pablo, and same to you, definitely, and I hope to hear you again on the frequency here on 20 meters. So you have a great evening, and hopefully we'll make other contacts in the future. So 73, and have a very good night. Foxtrot 4 Whiskey Bravo Yankee, over and out. Well, propagation has not been good today, and it's up and down, and sometimes you hear someone, sometimes you don't hear him at all. So, but you know, it's okay. I mean, I made how many? That's 2, 3, 4 contacts since noon, so it's about 5 p.m. So that's not a whole lot, but hey, you know, I'm outside. It's nice and sunny, and what else am I going to do? Watch TV? I don't think so. I probably should have used a half-wave and fed wire instead of the Unun with the random wire, which is 35.5 feet. The unfed wire would have been, well, exactly a half-wave, so and I would have used the 49:1 transformer instead of my 9:1 Unun, and of course that's more efficient. Now, when we say random wire, it's not exactly random, because it's any wire length that is not a half wave on the frequency you want to use. And of course, with the 49:1 you use a half wave wire, and it's more efficient. By the way, someone sent me a link on radiopreppers.com about the BTEX20 IO group, because there was a discussion, and there is a discussion there, about the efficiency of 49:1 transformers, which I've been using right here. And some guy was saying that these transformers have 90% losses, and that's totally ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense. How would that be possible? I don't know. And experience certainly shows quite the opposite. If you have a core like the FT240-43, that's about 90% efficient. If you have a 140-43 core like the one in this box, it's about 70% efficient. So it's quite good actually. And you know, I've been using this, and lots of people have been trying them, you know, and they get absolutely great results, just like I did. So I just wanted to put that on the table and tell you guys that, you know, don't worry about losses with hand-fed antennas because you have a transformer. That's just, in all practical, you know, cases, it's not going to make a difference. The guy at the other end is not going to hear the difference. And that's all I have to say about that. Sorry, I didn't have time to make any other video today, and that's all I have for you guys. But I'll try to do better next week. Have a good one.